Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about transferring your RRSP from a bank to Questrade. Yes, you can transfer your Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP, from a bank to Questrade. This process is a common practice in Canada and is known as a broker-to-broker transfer. There are a few key things to know about the process. First, you'll need to open a new RRSP account with Questrade. Once that's set up, you will initiate the transfer from your Questrade account. Questrade will then handle the rest of the process, communicating directly with your bank to move the funds. When you transfer your RRSP, you have two main options, an in-kind transfer or an in-cash transfer. An in-kind transfer means your investments, such as stocks or ETFs, are moved as they are, without being sold. An in-cash transfer means your investments are liquidated, and the cash is then transferred to Questrade. Keep in mind that your bank may charge a fee to transfer your account out. However, Questrade often offers a rebate for these transfer out fees, typically up to $150 per account. It's always a good idea to confirm the fees with your current bank and check Questrade's policy on rebates. The transfer process can take some time, usually a few weeks, so it's important to be patient. By initiating the transfer through Questrade, you ensure the funds are moved directly between the financial institutions, which avoids any tax implications that would arise from withdrawing the money yourself. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.